Okay, we're here with Jason at Gearhead Garage. Jason, you got a fabulous car to tell us about today.
This is a car we built about 2 years ago. Customer wants to sell it, not for need, but for want. He's got a bunch of stuff going on, just bought a diesel pusher and wants a garage to park it in. So these are the problems that some people have, so we can oblige. But it's a 67 Camaro, obviously triple black, silver stripes, Budnick wheels, 18 by 12s on the back, 18/8s on the front, 13-inch bears on the front, 12-inch bears on the back. This thing's got a 502 motor, GM Performance with, it's been all rebuilt, totally different bottom end, all totally gone through a custom build block. And it's got, I'll show you under the hood, it's got a Pro Charger, fuel injection. So it's got an Edelbrock intake with a multi-port fuel injection, Pro Charger D1 supercharger, intercooled, aluminum radiator, dual fans, the whole deal. We did the motor, Tremec 5-speed, 4-link by Chassis Works, did all the paint, upholstery, a bunch of wiring. It's got a lot of business going on the firewall because it's a bit of a, I don't want to call it a race car because it's totally daily driver status and that it runs and drives so nice. But it's a beast, don't get me wrong. A lot of the times when we do our LS conversions, we're going to hide all that stuff. But we kept it there on this particular build for the guy. We're going to detail it up. It just came in. We figured let's get some info up on the web, let you guys know it's for sale. She puts about 610 horse to the rear, conservative, and then we slow down. We figured no need to overtune it. It's perfect where it can still hook up. She flies like a bat out of hell. Riggs tank, so in-tank pump. 4-link like we said, 3-inch exhaust, it's all stainless. It's got a rack and pinion up front and sway bars front and rear, tubular control arms, Global West there. So just a lot of goodies. So we'll take it for a little drive, get it on the rack, show you a bunch of different stuff about the car. And if anybody's interested, it's a wicked car. It's faster than sin but reliable, so don't be turned off by something with a lot of power because you can have your cake and eat it too here at Gearhead Garage.